welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about uh, feeling lost in tech. Okay, so do you feel lost in tech? Too many options, too many tutorials, no clear direction. You are not alone. In this video, I will help you to find the clarity. First, understand this. You are not confused because you are weak. You are confused because there are too many choices. Web development, data science, AI, and apps. It's normal to feel lost. Okay, so the real problem is you are trying to learn everything at once. That doesn't work. Clarity comes from the focus, not from more information. Choose one path, pick one path. Don't overthink. Okay, and the simple option is web development if you like building the website, data science if you like the data, AI if you like the advanced tech. Just choose one. Okay, step 2, start small. Don't try to learn everything. Start with the basic, one programming language and basic concept. Keep it simple, that's it. And step 3, build the project. This is the most important step. Don't just watch the videos, build something, even a small project. Calculator, simple website, small apps. Okay, action give the clarity. Step 4, step 4, stay consistent. You don't need to 10 hour a day. Even 1 hour daily is enough. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. What not to be, what not to do. Avoid this. Switching topic every week, watching tutorial only, comparing yourself with the others. This keeps you stuck. So simple plan is do this. Pick one path, learn basic, build project, and stay consistent. Feeling lost is a part of the journey. Every developer felt this. Clarity comes from doing, not thinking. Start small, stay consistent, you will figure it out. Follow for more real tech advice. Take care, bye bye.